everybody, this is Justine and today I received a parcel and I found this box out of it which is of Raffles. Okay, now let me open it for you because indeed it is so special. Oh my god. It is indeed so special for me because oh my god. It has my membership card in it which says that I am the official executive member of Raffles from Punjab. And it is so beautiful. Oh my god, you know why it's so special? Number one, because it's Raffles. Number two, because it's of executive member. It's a blue card. Oh my god, it's not so easy to attain it, let me tell you. So this has my name, Justine Bharaj, validity date, and RGN 5095 number, and it's written exclusive membership of Raffles. Blue color, wow, I love this color. Alright, let me check more. What else it has? This is a card given by Raffles. Alright, so basically this is an organization, Saudi Arabia based organization, so that it was founded in that country in 2009. So now what is Raffles really? It is a kind of an organization, leading transnational youth organization engaged in myriad science, entrepreneurial and leadership activities basically. So, and there is of course Mr. Rabi Ahmed. You might be aware of this fact that he started this vision when he founded his dream of making ultra light sport aircraft, but then later on his entire dream turned out to be so amazing that now Raffles Science Club has transformed into Raffles Global Network, and since 2009 till date and for forever from now, it has member from 20 plus countries. Yeah, it's written in it. So which is amazing undoubtedly, because the founder is so enthusiastic, number one, and I think the vision is so important to be in every human being, to start, even if it's a small thing, how to turn that small little diamond into the huge industry. It's amazing. This organization is working under for charity work, for different kind of businesses and leadership programs. It even has corporate engagements and youth engagement projects. Right now we're going to deal with the MUN in 2022 probably. So this is all about Raffles, but this is an amazing gift, man. Literally, I loved it. Alright, so it also has this beautiful mask with Raffles Global Network print on it. Along with that, they have also given me this t-shirt which I already opened and I wore it, which has this logo. On it is just a beautiful gift, number one. And plus, oh my god, it also has some hand sanitizer pouches, which is so beautifully made and wrapped up together. It is a beautiful hamper, I believe that. But most importantly was that this card is so important for me and I just loved it. Oh my god, just loved the color and the value, of course, after which I run. Okay, considering all these facts, I believe that first of all, thanks to Raffles, number one, for giving me the chance to be your executive member from Punjab, because it's not easy. And I hope all of us together work towards a vision that we all have and create a better living standards for people. And yeah, thank you so much. Have a great day.